Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at one of the most entertaining collection of moments from the Big Bang Theory. This complete has everything fans love about the show: hilarious jokes, awkward romance, emotional family conversation, and classic Sheldon Cooper goes. Let's jump right into it. The first major storyline revolves around Sheldon and Amy. Amy asked Sheldon to meet her mother, which for most couples would be a normal step in a relationship, but this is seldom we're talking about. Instead of simply meeting her mother, Sheldon goes into full panic mode. He changes his phone number, changes his email, and even changes the address on the apartment buildings just to avoid the meeting. That's what makes Ceylon such a unique character. He approaches every emotional situation like it's a scientific problem that needs a complicated solution. Of course, Amy eventually finds him anyway, and the meeting with her mother becomes one of the funniest scenes in the episode. Sheldon starts making ridiculous comments about his relationship with Amy, trying way too hard to convince her mother that they're a normal couple. The awkwardness is absolutely hilarious, and MC reactions make the entire sense every better. But underneath all the comedy, this movement also shows how much Sheldon actually cares about Amy, even if he struggles to express it. Moving on, we get one of the sweetest long distance relationship moments between Sheldon and Amy. Amy has moved away for work and they are communicating through video calls. The conversation starts with jokes about grammar, state birds, and New Jersey statics, but eventually becomes something much more emotional. Both of them admit they miss each other. What interesting her is how the writes balance comedy with genuine emotions every while discussing grammar mistakes. You can feel how important they are to each other. The chemistry between these two characters had grown so much throughout the series, and moments like this remind us why fans became so invested in the relationship. Next, we shift to Leon and his mother. Now, if you've watched the Big Bang Theory, you know the Leonard's relationship with Beverly Hofstadter is one of the most complicated dynamic in the entire show. For years, Leonard has desperately wanted approval from his mother. In this conversation, he finally confronts her, asks why she never seems proud of him. The answer is surprisingly emotional. Beverly admits that she actually very impressed with Penny and even says that Penny is her favorite among her children. Suppose at first this sounds like another insult towards Leonard, but then she tells him something he's wanted to hear for years. She says she proud of him. You can literally see years of emotional fruitrance disappear from Leonard's face. It's a small but one of most touching scenes in the series. Speak emotional moments. Let's talk about Howard Wolowitz. Howard astronaut journey is one of the best character developments in the entire shows. When the series began, Howard was mostly known for his jokes, weird pickup lines, and childish behavior, but becoming an astronaut changed everything. In this compliance, we see Howard struggling through interesting training. He is dealing with zero gravity survival, exercise, exogenous, and complete physical mystery. The funniest part has to be his description for throwing up in zero gravity. Only the Big Bang Theory could turn astronaut training into a comedy routine, but then the show adds an emotional to it. Bernadette tells Howard she prouds him. That single sentence means everything because Howard spends most of the series trying to prove that he is capable of more than people expect. The communication of comedy and heart is what makes these scenes so memorable. Now let's talk about Raj. Raj has always been one of the most lovable characters because he constantly searching for love on practically funnier sense shows him telling his parents that he wants help